push?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think it'll work. There's too much friction.
Okay, try a little bit first.
Okay. Yeah. It's not gonna work.
Yeah, it's gonna work.
It's not gonna work.
I wonder if it would work without your backpack.
You think? Yeah.
Actually,
We'll hang
yeah,
on to
you'll be
your
lighter if
backpack.
you take your backpack off. Here, I'll carry it.
10 pounds lighter. Hold on. That's not much. Should I get on one that way?
Try to spread
do
your
a face
weight
Yeah, don't-
widely across it. Like on your back or your stomach or something.
This?
Try to...
A luge position.
She's like, I am trying. Okay. Whoa.
No. It has too much traction.
Not even like starting to get it. Slow down, young lady.
This is fun. You guys should try it.
Well, if it's any fun, as much fun as it is watching it, then...
I want to try face planting anyways.
I think it'll work on the big one though. Look how steep some of those are.
I don't think it'll work.
That's awesome.